Have you ever wondered how top-performing companies consistently make strategic decisions that drive growth and profitability? The answer often lies in robust financial planning and analysis (FP&A) capabilities. Many organizations struggle with ineffective financial planning processes, leading to misaligned budgets, inaccurate forecasts, and poor resource allocation. Without proper FP&A training, companies may find themselves making critical decisions based on incomplete or misinterpreted data, potentially resulting in missed opportunities or financial setbacks. At a personal level, employees and teams often feel overwhelmed by the complexities of financial planning and analysis. They may struggle with advanced forecasting techniques, lack confidence in presenting financial insights to stakeholders, or fail to connect financial data to strategic business decisions. This can result in a disconnect between finance and other departments, hindering the organization's overall performance. This is where our comprehensive certification program steps in to bridge the knowledge gap. By providing in-depth training on cutting-edge FP&A techniques, tools, and best practices, the course equips both organizations and individuals with the skills needed to drive financial excellence. The benefits of this certification are far-reaching. Participants will gain proficiency in advanced financial modeling, learn to leverage data analytics for insightful business intelligence, and develop skills in communicating complex financial information to non-financial stakeholders. They'll also explore scenario planning, rolling forecasts, and strategies for aligning financial planning with corporate strategy. For organizations, the impact of this training can be transformative. Companies will be better positioned to make data-driven decisions, optimize resource allocation, and navigate economic uncertainties. This can lead to improved financial performance, more accurate forecasting, and a stronger competitive position in the market. On a personal and team level, employees will experience a significant boost in their professional capabilities. They'll be able to contribute more strategically to business planning processes, improve the quality of financial analysis, and add value through their enhanced analytical skills. Teams will collaborate more effectively across departments, with finance serving as a true business partner in driving organizational success. Don't let outdated financial planning practices hold your organization back. Empower your team with the knowledge and skills they need to excel in modern FP&A. Enroll in this certification program today and take a decisive step towards mastering corporate financial planning and analysis. Your journey to becoming a strategic financial leader starts here. Seize this opportunity to transform your approach to financial decision-making and drive your organization's success.